Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off lost mode on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Literally, if you declare your iPhone lost via the Find My application, then the lost iPhone will display on the screen. And once you find your iPhone, you can easily turn off the lost mode. To turn off lost mode is quite simple. Just swipe up on the iPhone and then type in your iPhone passcode or unlock with your Face ID if possible. Then you should see lost mode enabled. If you click on that, to open this in your mail, then you should see lost mode enable on the name of your device. So, and once you're able to access it, then the lost mode is going to be turned off. To confirm this, just go to Find My on your iPhone, select your iPhone. If you swipe up, you see lost mode turned off like this, and then you are good. So that is exactly how to turn off lost mode on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.